Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this tutorial, I'll teach you HTML5. First of all, let's install our text editor. I will be using Notepad++. Go to your web browser. I will be using Google Chrome and type notepad++.org. Then, download the latest version of Notepad++. When you're done installing, open your Notepad++ and let's type doctype HTML. HTML head, close tag head, body, and then close tag body and close tag HTML. This is the basic HTML document of HTML5. And then let's put a header here, h1, and let's name it as our first HTML. And then close tag h1. Then save it in your desktop. Create a new folder. Name it as HTML. And name it your file as basic.html. Then save it. And run your code. I will run in Google Chrome. And then that's it. Our first HTML document is working. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.